In front of me is Motorola Moto G15 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Sound Recorder app and tapping on this gear icon on the left to tap on voice quality and adjust that. When you finished, click on this button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To delete it right away, click on this X, select Delete and wait. To end it and save it though, click on the check mark on the right. Then you need to name your recording however you want to and hit save. If you wish to find a list of all your recordings, click on those three lines on the right and play your chosen one by clicking on it here. To get rid of it though, you need to hold it instead. Click on delete icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!